Hello everyone, this is Benny from ChinaTourist.com, Chengdu. Do you want to see pandas? Do you want to live the way like pandas? Like here, the panda now is eating half his meals, and this is Chengdu. So welcome to Chengdu when you have time, and we'll always only welcome you here. And once you have time to be here, and we'll all be waiting for you. And just to make sure that we will just wait for you at the train station or the airports. Always keep remember our ChinaTourist.com sign. And we will take you to the car and to the city and to the hotels. As for the second days, we are going to have our visit. And make sure that we're going to visit Chengdu Panda Base. Because here you can enjoy and see the most of the pandas in the whole planet. And what about the tips for making the scene, enjoying seeing the panda? And you have to go here very early, because people know that in the morning time, the pandas are very active. This kind of animal is always like to eat and sleep. And the morning breakfast is the only time you can see them that they're very active with the eating and playing. So make sure that we follow us together to enjoy seeing these kinds of panda bears at a very good point. And we are going to see these places with all kinds of the enclosures. Well, of course, we are considered of all the physical find the ideal place, ideal schedule for you to see them. Some of you maybe cannot walk that far, and I will try to make you to sit on the electrical buggies to go to different places. But in one word, and visiting the panda, that's the most important thing. And make sure, don't forget about seeing the baby ones. And after seeing the panda, we'll go back to Chengdu and seeing the very beautiful streets and old city center of Chengdu. For example, like Jinli Street and the Xiang alleys. And these streets are the very important old city center of Chengdu. And you have a chance to see the old buildings and try the local snacks and local specialties. By the way, and many people I think about just saying what is the very specialty here, especially for breakfast. And Chengdu people like a bowl of noodles. So what kind of the noodle is the most special here? And I will introduce to you our beloved breakfast noodle, Dan Dan noodles. And this kind of Dan Dan noodle is a kind of dry noodle stirred with minced pork and everything inside. So make sure that you'll have time and a chance to see that. And as we see this, hopefully you can enjoy every single part of Chengdu and not only seeing the panda and being like a panda. So ladies and gentlemen, hopefully that we'll always welcome you here, and will make you to see Chengdu is the warm bed when you feel tired. Thank you.